Beautiful Capricorns, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Thank you for joining me here. Thank you so much, guys, for your generosity, your likes, your comments, and all of your subscriptions. Woo! Show the way. Showing the way. 9090 could be important to you. Capricorn, these are your angel numbers. Your angels are guiding you. Spiritual influence, assistance is here. Take the high road. That's what they're telling you. Prosperity, balance of personal power, victory, overcoming challenges, success, strength, and abundance. 8. Capricorn, letting go. 2929. Losses becoming gains. Potential, starting over. Bury the past. These are new adventures. Affirmations. 2424. Achieving your aspirations by choices. This could be twin flame. Stay steady, improving, and powerful. 1010. In progress. Time for a change in life. Getting on the right track. Going in a new direction. Messages. Soul evolution is here. Opportunities. 6060. Getting help from above. Taking steps. Life changes. Fresh start. Divine support. So it's telling you all you're being shown the way to prosperity here. By letting go of something, it's like turning your losses into gains. So let's get you some financial messages. That's a lot of finance in there as well. So what are you manifesting? Manifestation card is here. So you're going to be shown the way through prickly situations. You need both tact and diplomacy to reach your goals. Take the high road. The struggle is worth the prize. Work around the issue and use a gentle touch. Take the high road, as always. Be aware of troublemakers in the workplace. Drama. The job you want may have too much upheaval to bear. Keep emotions and gossip in check. Signs. You are putting together the pieces of the puzzle from signs that you are getting. Pay attention to the coincidences you are experiencing. This could be to do with being on the table. Time to put your demands on the table and get serious about what you want. Ask for that raise, that promotion, or a step up. Taking time to reflect. Take time to revisit the past and figure out what you want to do. Knowing what you don't like will show you what you truly love. This is the key. Answers. You will resolve a current situation soon. Work-wise, you will find unique ways to stand out. You find a new opening with job security. Work you want may not be in reach. You can take a new temp position while waiting for an opening. Your new place offers job security. So you could have been locked out. But that does not mean that something else is not coming up. It could be to do with workplace drama. So find unique ways to be noticed, because it's looking like you're up for some type of promotion or raise. This is renewal. You need to take time to recharge your energy to get back on track. Challenges ahead require you to have faith and break through. You have the power now. Use your magic to attract what you want into your life. The sky is the limit. These are eggs. Golden eggs. It's a good time to start a new job or a whole new career. You have creative ideas that get noticed. Build a nest egg for the future. Power position. You're being promoted or called to lead. Time to step into your sovereignty and guide others with compassion. So it's like standing out amongst the crowd. You may have had a lot of gossip around or drama in your workplace, but these are fast changes. You could be leaving a job suddenly or getting one very quickly, or your work may change dramatically in a short time. It's saying to take the high road. Like, don't get involved in the drama of it. Stand out. Be the one that stands out. Capricorn's messages, please. Capricorn. Oh, open dishonor, humiliation, finding faults, punishment, shut down. Caught in public ridicule, mockery. It's telling you to take the high road. There's a lot of changes coming up here. Handcuffs. This is about control, defensiveness, target, handicapped, held back, suppressing things, needing to break free. It could leave you feeling powerless. You may want to break free. Let's see what's going on. Get back on track, moving on, life's journey, new endeavor, going away. Focus on time, go forward, getting back on track, steady climbing, without no resistance. Okay, another 5, which is hassles, problems, a big mess, complicated, patience is needed. You will have future gains, you will work it out. Somebody may have made up a story and many working components. Somebody is into mischief, getting out of control. White rabbit, a spark of curiosity, genosis, a spiritual awakening. It's time to heed the call. Inner knowing, from dark to light. (50-50). At this time, things could go either way. So, oh shit. You could be in for a lot of changes on your job, like a lot of changes. It's telling you to stand out, get noticed, take the high road. Don't get involved in the gossip. Don't get involved in the politics. You could be being offered a higher paying job. You could be being offered a promotion, a raise, putting your cards on the table. It's 50-50. Things could be dicey. You could experience a lot of change, or you could be changing careers. Suddenly, fast changes. It could be real quick changes on the job here. What's going on? could be getting a promotion. Fast, rapid changes on the job. You may be putting your cards on the table. You have good ideas here. Don't get caught in workplace drama. Take the high road. This is to do with the job. There's a lot of jealousy. You could be getting something long-term, planning for the future here. It's a prickly situation, though. It could go 50-50 either way, Spirit's saying. This is to do with your career. Don't get involved. Spirit's saying steer clear. Don't get involved in no workplace drama. Don't get involved in the gossip. Take the high road. Someone is manipulating here. You could be getting a promotion, a raise. So somebody else may want to hold you back. This is lockup. Shit. Did somebody actually get locked up, get handcuffed? This is workplace drama. Take the high road. Spirit is saying you're going to get offered something. You could be in a partnership, or you might be offered a partnership. There is some workplace drama. Somebody actually could be getting handcuffed and locked up. Could be something to do with being locked out or locked up. This is balance. This is patience. Standing out above the rest. You're very innovative. You have good creative ideas. Fast, rapid changes on the job. There could be some public humiliation or something like this. Being publicly humiliated. Embarrassment. Something to do with some manipulation. Take the high road. There could be some gossip about somebody getting locked up. This is embarrassing. A need for a break or a rest. This could be to do with some somebody's like this waiting for a tower. This could be exhaustion. This could be working excessively, like a lot of hours, maybe because somebody got locked up, handcuffed, and arrested. This could be your twin flame. This could be some other lover situation. This could be your twin flame getting locked up. Something to do with some workplace drama. So what? Holy shit. What's this to do with something legal? Seriously. So somebody is attacking somebody. What? Oh, fuck. It's workplace gossip. Maybe too much to bear. Did somebody get arrested? Get locked out of the building? Get locked out? Somebody call security on somebody? Security getting called over some workplace drama? Take the high road. Don't get involved in workplace drama. Take the high road. Something could be very embarrassing. Somebody could have got arrested or locked up. Somebody could have got caught stealing. Got locked out. Somebody could have called security on somebody. What the fuck is this going on about? Something to do with their past. Somebody could have, like, a criminal past. Is this a criminal record? A criminal record? So somebody could have got arrested, somebody could have got handcuffed, somebody could have been like, this is embarrassing, somebody could have gone to the job and had somebody arrested on the job. Security, police involved here. This could have been your twin flame. It could be some kind of drama. Somebody could have been called security here. This is some kind of workplace drama. Don't get involved. Take the high road. Don't get involved in the politics. Don't get involved with the gossip. It's almost as if somebody is getting arrested on the job. Some criminal past or criminal behavior. There could be a physical altercation here that turned physical. Somebody could have called security, or it's a warning of it now. Don't get involved in gossip. There's a physical altercation here. This is to do with a father or some kind of abuse. This is like a physical fight here. Someone's getting into fisticuffs here. Someone's could be brawling and drinking, and I don't know. Somebody seeing somebody doing something here. It's like at work. It's work. Somebody could be terminated. Asked to leave. Something is becoming public. I don't know. The Empress here is being offered some kind of promotion, some type of raise. This is standing out above the crowd, so it's almost as if the Empress standing out, being offered this position, being offered this higher pay. Not engaging. Somebody got handcuffed. I'm telling you, they did. They've lost their job or something. Somebody has lost their job somehow due to some workplace drama. Cops could have been called. There could have been a physical assault. There could have been a physical injury. Somebody could have got fired and arrested. Somebody could have... This could be your twin flame I'm talking about. Like, this is getting arrested on the job, publicly in front of everyone. Either getting locked out of the building or getting locked out or getting charges filed against them. Ooh. Someone is stressed the hell right out. Because they got rejected. Does somebody go to somebody's job, cause a scene? We're talking about your twin flame, perhaps. It's like somebody got arrested on the job, somebody calling security. There's a physical altercation or something like this. Some kind of workplace drama, somebody freaking out on the job, getting handcuffed. This is all public, becoming public, or in public. This could be someone doing something illegal or stealing from the job, or I don't know what this is. It turns out to a physical altercation. Did somebody get... I don't know what this is saying. But somebody could be like saying that they were physically or sexually assaulted on the job. This could be sexual harassment. This could be physical harassment. This could be physical violence, an attack, being attacked on the job, or some kind of sexual harassment. I'm not sure. This is handcuffs. This is like somebody could be locked up, going to jail for attacking someone on the job, or physically assaulting someone on the job, or sexual harassment on the job. Stay out of it. That's what Spirit's saying. Stay out of it. Don't get involved in the drama of it. Take the high road. So somebody may be, this is a really embarrassing situation. Somebody was terribly embarrassed. I don't know if this is a sexual harassment case that I'm talking about. Somebody actually getting handcuffed and arrested on the job for sexual harassment or physical harassment. Saying, take the high road. Don't get involved. Someone forcing something or applying force to make someone feel powerless. This is being handcuffed. Literally, the handcuffs are here. Open dishonor, humiliation, someone getting caught in public ridicule or mockery, nowhere to run. Someone could be serving time. The only warning that's here is on the job, and it's telling you to watch out, don't get involved in politics, of office politics or job politics. It's like someone is being publicly humiliated, detained, handcuffed, and arrested. Somebody could be going to jail, doing time for physical battery, or I don't know if this is domestic violence and then they go get the person on the job, or it happens right on the job. This is a domestic violence case if it's at home, or this is right on the job, some kind of physical or sexual harassment. It's like someone being detained, being locked up, open dishonor, humiliation, punishment, abusive, caught in public ridicule or mockery, nowhere to hide. These are handcuffs, man. Somebody is gonna do some time here. Things could go either way. It's 50-50. Whether somebody may press charges or not, I don't know. Or be found guilty of this crime. Take care.